Hi, welcome to Business Automated. Today I'll show you how to use Airtable mobile app. First, find Airtable in your Apple or Play Store, and then install the application and open it. Once you open the application, you will have a choice of creating new base from a template or creating new base from the scratch. You also have access to video tutorials. So let's create the first base from the scratch. So we'll select create new from a new empty base and we'll call it moving company. So the first step will be to create on the table and change the name of the table. We'll call it clients. And the next step is to customize the field. We'll edit the first field and we'll call it name of the client. Then we'll customize the attachment field. Let's say maybe this is a place for agreements. We'll keep the notes and we'll add another field. This field will be called phone number. We can also select the type phone number. We'll also select email. We'll also add a field called move date, where we can set the date when the move is going to happen. Another field will be the address field. It will be type of field called long text because you can write more text into it. And now we can create the first record. Let's create a sample record. In the address field, we can use multiple lines for the input. Okay, we have the first client created. Let's create a second client, just a dummy name. Oh, by accident I added third record, which I can delete now by sliding to the left. Now let's create another table, which will contain the inventory of the items that we will be moving for each of the client. We call it moving day. The first field will be the name of the item. We also keep the description of each of the items. And we will also attach a photo of each items that we are moving so that we have a documentation. Another field will be location, and this location will be a single select field where we can define multiple choices. And this choice will be, for example, living room, kitchen, bathroom, or dining room. This will allow us to select a choice from the list given within the Airtable when we are adding our data. We can also change different colors for each of the options. Another field will be quantity, which will be type number. Another field, which is very important, will be field called moving contact. And it will be a linked field that will be linking to the client so that we can assign each of the items to the correct client. Final field will be created date. This field will be added automatically and it will have the date when the record was created. Alright, we can rearrange the order of our fields. Just drag and drop. And now let's add the first record to our list of moves. First, we need to put the name. Second, we need to select which client this item is referring to. Next step will be to select location and then add some description about the product. We can also take a picture of this product directly using our camera. In my case, I'll be also attaching examples of products that I have just downloaded from the internet. So you can see just as example. So we added one record, now let's add another record. Here we're adding another record, and we will see that there is no bedroom in the selections that we have made. Airtable makes it very easy to add additional options to the single select field. So we just type what is the name of the field that we would like. So right now we have bedroom, we can add pictures to this record, and we have another record added. So as you can see that this is going fairly quickly and very easily allows you to add all the items that you're moving to the list. You can fully customize the fields, and you can add additional fields if you need them. You can also add additional descriptions, and pretty much any field within this base you can customize. Alright, so we have 4 items at the moment, and let's go now to our customer, and in the customer record we can see what items have been moved for this particular customer. So this will allow you to keep a better track for each of the orders or each of the clients that you might be moving, and you can also access all that information in a desktop version of Airtable. I hope that was useful for you, and please subscribe to look out for more business automation videos.